This is a little quick film showing my Rode microphone setup, going to my GoPro 5 Hero with an external battery source, or power source I should say, mounted on a cam caddy. I can also mount my cell phone or iPhone on that little doohickey over there, but it works great for filming kids, volleyball games, basketball games, football games in high school. Been using it for the last year and a half with good results. You do need to buy the GoPro accessory that lets you connect your Rode mic into it along with your power source, but it will work without the power source. I use the power source so it powers and recharges the GoPro because the GoPro batteries don't last very long and I don't want to have to switch it out. This is just a external battery called the Soldier that I got from Radio Shack about 3-4 years ago during a volleyball tournament. So Rode mic really